你好，我是沙传宇 Eddie。
Hi, I'm Danny from Wayne State University. So is your family excited to see you next week?
Actually, 老板 extended my visa, so I'm staying here for one more year.
Really?
Just kidding. Actually, I talked to my family last night on WeChat, and my mom said, "We miss you." My sister said, "Don't forget to bring me the makeup." And my father said, "Were you away, my son?"
Well, I'll miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too,
Oh.
Danny.
You're such an actor, such a drama king.
Thank you.
Is there a way to say that in Chinese?
I think you could say, 你是个戏精.
So she meaning acting and Jing meaning demon?
Right.
So you're like an acting demon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I get it. Could you say that again, please?
你是个戏精. 你是个戏精.
Now you try.
Well, Danny stepped out, so I'll take his spot. That's all for today. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube and Youku.
你真是个戏精。
再见。